The jackal, a sly and adaptable member of the canid family, has captivated the imagination of people for centuries. These clever creatures are native to Africa and Western Asia, and are known for their unique physical features and cunning behavior. Standing about 2 feet tall at the shoulder and weighing between 15 to 35 pounds, jackals are smaller than their wolf relatives. Their coat is yellowish-brown, with black-tipped ears and a bushy, black-tipped tail that can measure up to 12 inches. Their slender bodies and long legs allow them to cover large distances swiftly. The jackal's most striking feature is its face. They have a narrow snout, small, triangular ears, and a distinctive black mask around their eyes. This mask, combined with their pointed ears and slender body, gives them an almost fox-like appearance. Jackals are omnivorous, which means they eat a variety of food, including insects, fruit, and small animals. However, they are best known for their scavenging behavior. They are often seen following larger predators like lions and hyenas, waiting for a chance to eat the leftovers from their kills. Their cunning nature is not just limited to their eating habits. Jackals are known to be extremely intelligent and have been observed using tools, such as sticks, to help them catch prey. They are also known to mimic the calls of other animals to distract prey or predators. Jackals live in family groups, known as packs, which consist of a dominant pair and their offspring. These packs have a complex social structure, with each member having a specific role. They communicate using a series of barks, growls, and howls, which can be quite varied and intricate. Despite their small size, jackals play a crucial role in their ecosystems. They help control populations of rodents and insects, and their scavenging behavior keeps carcasses clean and reduces the spread of diseases. Jackals are an essential part of the African and Asian landscapes, and their unique adaptability has helped them survive in a variety of habitats, from deserts to grasslands. Their cunning intelligence, adaptability, and intricate social structure make them a fascinating subject of study for biologists and wildlife enthusiasts alike. However, jackals are facing numerous threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of these fascinating creatures. By learning more about jackals and their role in their ecosystems, we can better understand the importance of preserving these unique and adaptable canids.